Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a video. I'm here with my beautiful wife on Valentine's Day.
Hi.
So we're playing Tribal Synergy. Why Tribal Synergy on Valentine's Day? Well, my so anywho, I'm here with this friendly, super friendly, weirdly, but you know. So we're gonna play some Yu-Gi-Ohs, play some children's card games. Okay, set a monster, pass torn, cool. Man, this sucks. This hand kind of is weird. I opened up with a couple Amazon cards, and like Hoppy spells. It's that booty. Actually, I lose 200 more due to the effect of the field spell because the field spell did not get destroyed yet. Fuck my life. That sucks, don't it, hun? I apologize for her. She's a bit tired. I want to give a big shout out and a happy birthday. Yay! Cool. Um, Activate part of creed. LOL. Actually, I should have. I actually should have. Shoot, I messed up. I should have egotism first. That way I wouldn't join to another one. And it's okay. Um, 16, 17, 18. I should have attacked the cocoon first. That was my bad. Mm, I end. Ah, I forgot to use this. I forgot to equip. I mean, isn't it? It's probably not good.
Yeah.
Shit. Do you summon? Okay. Position is called Inca in the controls are changed to position. It is called destroy the insect type monster by battle. Bloody blah blah. Once per turn. Okay. That's a really good skill with uh called it's like Dark Hole for insect type monsters. It's pretty good because you can use hidden parasite to make everything opponent controls insects. If you could happen to control no monsters, dot-coing your opponent's entire board is pretty busted. Um, so, okay. Hmm. A bit difficult to get around. Not sure what I'm gonna do to out that thing. But on demand, so when that one's gonna be destroyed. Battle. Academic calculation is destroy the attack. Cool. After damage calculation, if the equipped monster attacks a monster, destroy the attacked monster. Cool. That's pretty good. It'll help out that. Yeah, so mine would have gotten to 1800 due to the effect of her own effect, and because of the effect. Um. Hmm. I apologize for that noise. We got new phones. That was good. Good, good, good. Um. I will replace my field spells with this field spell. Yay! I will summon Amazon Swordwoman and then equip this to her. Then, all Amazon type monsters gain 200 attack once per turn. Okay. 14, 15, 16. 800. This is not going well for me. Although I think uh this just helped me. Like this equips out. I'm glad I waited to use it. And Amazons together in one deck. It's because of this. It's so good. It lets you play good duel. Right? Pot green be good? Pot green be good, right? uh, she picked NLB with the Dinosaur Kingdom, Vanilla Beat, whatever. If you control an Amazon monster or and a hobby monster, you can go. Man, eat a frog. Who actually has more? I think Amazon. Seriously? Okay. I don't know why you didn't choose the two that couldn't attack. That could attack. That was weird. I don't know why he didn't. Unless he has a Spirkui bow. No? What? Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Thumbs up, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think in comments below. Happy Valentine's. Happy Valentine's to my amazing, perfect wife. I will catch you guys later. So, signing out. Bye.